Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8-liter. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.